Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about my honest review of Pictory AI. Now, this is an AI specifically geared towards making videos, right? It's a AI that could turn your text into video, right? So your prompt into video. Now, let's try it, right? So, for example, I want a text to video here, and my video will be called a simple YouTube video, right? And the video will be about skateboards, right? So, skateboards, a video of someone riding a skateboard. So let's try this prompt, right? Now let's just wait for it to save its changes. Now after the save changes is done, we can click on proceed here. Now once it's proceed, we will be having a storyboard being generated, searching visuals, all of these stuff. So let's just wait for it to finish. Now once it's finished, you'll see a screen like this, preparing video review, and you can see earlier it was selecting the perfect soundtrack, quote unquote. Now let's just again wait for it to finish. Riding the skateboard. Like you see, this is the preview, right? And it's pretty good. It's a guy riding a skateboard. Now, it's not only this that we can do, we can also have it a visual look here. We can add backgrounds, you can upload your own. There's some recent one you can do as well. You can add audios into it as well. Like these are voices for the background voice. There's also music you can add as well. There's also styles you can do as well. So the styles are right here. You see, this is what it looks like if you want to add it. Just click on it like that. And you can see the style of the text has changed. Now you can see there's a lot of styles we can pick from as well. We can also add text if we'd like add a heading if we'd like. And you can see the text goes here. Now it'll be in our video like that. Now you can see this is what the text will look like in our video now. We can also do brands if we'd like. There's also some elements we can add. It's like Canva. And there's some other things as well, like the aspect ratio here. Now you can download this video if you'd like. There's also a preview video again, like earlier, but let's just go back to home here. Now that was the main use of Pictory AI, right? Generating text or generating video from text, right? They also have other features like URL to video, AI video editor, images to video, PPT to video. I implore you to explore all of these other features yourself because they're pretty niche, right? But is it worth it? Now, for what it is, it's pretty good, right? But the price is something you'll need to decide for yourself because this is, again, not free. It's a free trial only. And the price of it, now, if I just show you here, I think it's a minimum of $20 per month. Yeah, it's about $20 per month for 200 videos, minutes per month as well. Now, if you want a professional one, you can see it'll get you up to 600 video minutes per month. And you can see you get all of these other benefits as well. So it's pretty expensive, pretty pricey. But if this is what you're looking for, then it's pretty worth it and it's pretty okay for me. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.